Hey everybody, it's Kenneth, and today I'm going to make a video of unboxing a bottle of Baijiu. So I've been drinking Baijiu for coming up on 11 years almost, and I've always wanted to, I don't know, it'd be fun to make a blog or do something about it. Haven't got around to it, and for my first video I probably shouldn't just be unboxing a bottle. I should maybe talk about Baijiu or something, but yeah, I'll say that for another day. I just bought this bottle down the street from my mother-in-law's house. That's where I'm staying right now. I'm in China at the moment in beautiful Yangzhou in Jiangsu province. And there's this little shop down the street that we buy all of our baijiu from because they kind of have a shelf with just a really wide variety of Baijiu, usually like older bottles. And the one I got today is from 2013. So right now it's September 2019. So that's about 6 years old, the bottle I bought. So anytime you buy Baijiu, they hook you up with a bag. Usually one bag you can put two boxes in. This box is a little oversized, so probably could just fit one in a bag. But this box is from Jiangsu Shuangguo distillery. So Shuangguo is probably the second biggest distillery in Jiangsu province. The biggest is Yangzhou, but I believe Yangzhou actually bought Shuangguo a while ago. Shuangguo, sorry. So I guess they're two of the same right now. But yeah, Baijiu does have a couple of heavy hitters as far as the Baijiu scene in China. Yangzhou is definitely the main one. But the bottle I bought today, let's take it out. Look at the box. Ugh. Boom. There we go. So this bottle is from Yangzhou actually, and I don't think Yangzhou is too famous for its baijiu, but this comes from a distillery here. I think it's in Baoying district, which is a little bit outside the main city of Yangzhou. But if you take a look at the top here, this is a quote, and it's not just a quote. I think it's his actual handwriting from the former president in China, Jiang Zemin. He's from Yangzhou, and I don't. My Chinese is horrible. I don't really speak Chinese at all. But my wife told me this says, "Historic Yangzhou is my lovely hometown." So he's really proud of Yangzhou. So this Baijiu company thought they'd slap that quote on there and try to sell some bottles with it. But so anyway, let's take a look at the box really quick. Yeah, I don't know, not too extravagant for a Baijiu box. Baijiu boxes can be pretty sweet. This thing see on the front sticks out a bit. It's kind of cool. And then here on the side we got some info. As you can read Chinese, which I can't. Doesn't do you much good except for that picture right there. That is probably the most scenic spot in Yangzhou. It's a slender West Lake. And that bridge is really famous. You see it all over town. So anyway, here's the other side of the box. Just some stuff on the top, a little information on the bottom, and there's the back. All right, now we are going to open the box and check out the bottle, see what it looks like. So these can always be a little tricky to open. You got to punch that in there. All right, that's one. I'll get the other. Oh boy, I think I got it. All right, so let's try to open this guy up. Oh, not quite. Okay, bear with me. Oh, I can show you. I forgot on the top. That's when it was produced, 2013. So this is an old one, but yeah. Oh boy, I'm gonna break it. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, here it is, the big reveal. Ooh. All right. Well, there's the bottle. Nothing too special. Yeah, you got your little lock thing on the top, which usually just plastic breaks right off. Looks like some of the Baijiu might have evaporated from the bottle. That tends to happen, but yeah, see there's that little picture again on the back. But yeah, I am excited to try it. I've had this brand's Baijiu before. It's the strong aroma. So it's the fiery stuff, puts some hair on your chest. But yeah, I'll make another video of me trying it. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.